Hello, friends. My name is Alex, and today we are going to have a lot of fun in the forest. We will meet animals, see cool things, and learn something new together.
A for ant, busy as can be. B for bear, big and strong you see. C for cat, purring all day long.
Wow, what an adventure! We learned so many new things about animals and letters. Bye bye, friends. See you soon!